Turn me loose from your hands. Let me fly to distant lands, over green fields, trees and mountains, flowers and the forest fountains. Of the sky away from the stars, and on the room projects a shadow cast and gone, and my eyes are mirrors of the world outside, thinking of the way that the wind can the tide, and these shadows turn from purple into gray, for just a skyline pigeon dreaming of the open, waiting for the day that he can spread his wings and fly away again. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams left so very far behind. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams left so very far behind. Let me wake up in the morning to the smell of new moon hay, to laugh and cry, to live and die in the brightness of my day.